संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव। की सुरन भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी, गगन कहे विजयी भव।
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you. As you are all aware, Rotary always reminds us of the four-way test that all Rotarians know, but we must recite it all the time. May I request Rotarian Alpana Huda to slightly explain to us what this four-way test means. It's just not reading the 4 lines. She will now describe what is required of us. Over to Alpana.
Thank you, Anil sir. Before I read out the 4-way test, I want to say some few lines. कि फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं कि खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग लाइक यू ऑल रोटेरियंस, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी न बिछड़ पाने का रिश्ता बन जाता है। अभिनंदन, आदर, आभार, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल and very good evening ladies and gentlemen. Now I will read out the 4-way test. The 4-way test of the things we think, we say or we do. The pillars of foundation on which Rotary has stood solidly over 6 decades are the principles generally referred to as the 4-way test. These 4 dictums were authored by Herbert J. Taylor and adopted by Rotary in 1943. जब आपके विचार विचारधारा बन जाए, when an idea becomes an ideology, जो हम कहते हैं, जो हम सोचते हैं और जो हम करते हैं, क्या हो सकते हैं? Is it the truth? क्या ये सत्य है? जो भी काम आप करते हैं, क्या उसका आधार सच की बुनियाद पर टिका हुआ है? आप जो कार्य करते हैं, क्या वो सच्चे मन और सच्ची लगन से करते हैं? नंबर 2, इज इट फेयर टू ऑल कंसर्न? क्या ये सबके लिए उचित है? क्या आपका कार्य सबकी भलाई के लिए होगा? क्या उसमें सबका बराबर का फायदा होगा? Will it be fair, just equitable, impartial, unbiased, straightforward and objective oriented? Fair means showing no evidence of favoritism, self-interest and indulging in own likes or dislikes. Number 3, will it be build goodwill and better friendships?
Dear brothers and sisters in Rotary, we have other honored guests also with us. Some have arrived, some surely will arrive a little later. I can see a few stars of Rotary. Can I request Dr. Subra and his very gracious wife to please come and take a little token of our love from Sanjeev and Geeta.
Let's stay together.
We have past District Governor Ravi Chaudhary with us.
Wait, sorry.
Yeah, we have the first ever District Governor, Lady District Governor with us. Coming to time, we have Dr. Pushpa Sethi and her husband Ashokji. Can I request you to please come and take a token of love from Alpna and Mahabir?
One more. Yes, look here.
Can I request General Honda to be ready to welcome PDG Ravi? Next.
की करा सर की करा
We have past District Governor Vinay Bhatia with us. Can I request Naveen Kapoor please kindly do the honors? Past District Governor again Deepak Talwarji is with us. Can I request Rajesh Nakram?
Look here. Wait.
Kindly do the honors.
Thank you.
Nutan, you can join me please.
Yes, ma'am.
We have the District Secretary Sanjeev Wadhwa.
Wait. So, one more. Yes, look here. Thank you.
Nina Malik, is she here? Yeah, kindly please come with. Jagmohan sir abhi आइए. Jagmohan sir आइए. Anju. Sanjeev Anju Wadhwa with us with Nina and Jagmohan Malik. Assistant Governor Sushil Agarwal is with us today.
हाँ जी सामने देखेंगे
Wait. One more. Yes, sir, प्रसाद.
As they will.
Yes, look here, look here. Thank you.
Can I request K.K. Ahuja, K.K. Ahuja from Kutub, to do the honors, please, with the AG. Sushil ji.
Yes sir, please. मैम आना साथ में.
We have Manoj Kumar Jain ji with us. Can I request Goody ji to do the honors for us? We also have Harish Mahendra ji with us.
Yes.
Can we have Sadhana do the honors?
Wait. Ma'am, please come. Sir. Thank you. Excuse me. So.
We also look after our own zone. They are our extended family, as we call them. So we have President Sunita Jain, Rotary Club of Delhi South Ex. Yeah. Jain Kataria sir, can I request you to redo the honors?
Yes, please. Look here, look here. Wait.
कहाँ पर है? We have our immediate past district governor Mahesh ji is here. Can I ask President 2425 Pavan to do the honors, please? Mrs. Trika, Mrs. come here. Sujata ji आइए. Pavan.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
जी सर, सामने देखिए.
Thank you.
Right. Please adjourn again. We'll do this presentation again as the guests keep coming. May I now request President 2425, Colonel Pawan Mehra, to deliver his annual report.
On behalf of Rotary Club of Delhi Kutub, I extend you all a very warm welcome to our installation and GOV ceremony. Now this is a report for the last year, that is year 2024-25. I took over as President of the Rotary Club of Delhi Kutub on 1st July 2024 and served with full dedication, keeping in line with our motto, service above self, during the magic of Rotary year 2024-25. Core values of Rotary and its guiding principles of service, fellowship, diversity, integrity and leadership were followed in letter and spirit during the year. Rotary Club of Delhi Kutub did a number of quality welfare projects catering to the needs of underprivileged sections of the society, disabled children, cancer patients, senior citizens, and youth alike. Vibrant members of the club participated wholeheartedly with full commitment in all these welfare activities. Our most dynamic team, consisting of Vice President, Past President G.S. Saluja, Treasurer Lieutenant General S.N. Handa, Club Secretary Rotarian Suparna Kapoor, and Club Trainer Brigadier Anil Malhotra, who worked tirelessly towards achieving our club goals with a clear vision, commitment and dedication. Strong leadership leading from the front with bold action resulted in achieving our aims. Spirit of service, extreme devotion, dedication and fellowship.
May I request members on the dais and our galaxy of past governors to kindly join us and Suyata ma'am for the lighting of the lamp. May I request Ravila ma'am to do the Ganesh Vandana, please.
फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं कि किसी भी शुभ कार्य से पहले हम हमेशा भगवान का स्मरण करते हैं। तो आइए इसी परंपरा के अनुसार वंदना है भगवान श्री गणेश की, जिनकी कृपा बरसती ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश की। ओवर टू रोहिला।
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा। गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मंगलं भगवान् विष्णु मंगलं गरुडध्वज मंगलं पुंडरीकाक्षी मंगलाय तनोहरि। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते नारायणी नमस्तुते।
Beautiful. That was fantastic. Really good. Right, ladies and gentlemen, time has now come to officially collar and pin the President Rotary Club of Delhi Kutub, General Ashok Vasudeva Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal and Vishish Seva Medal, one of the highest decorated. And also to pin and collar the club president Neena Vasudeva. by the club secretary, Ina Vasudeva. May I request the chief guest and Monica ji to please do the honors. इनका हो गया।
The back. In the back. Wait, sir, wait. Side पर साथ में.
एक सेकंड
Wait. आप ही आओ प्लीज. पिन कम.
सामने देखेंगे.
Yes.
हाँ जी. Look here, ma'am.
Wait. One more. Yes. एक बार इधर सामने से इधर. Thank you.
स्पेशल फील करा देते हो।
एक मिनट. सर अभी
सत्ता घर में ही है।
Look here, ma'am. One more take. Done.
Thank you.
Be careful. कोई बात नहीं।
थैंक यू एमओसी अनिल सर। दिल से पुकारा हमारी गैर द्वारा। हमारे न्यू कैप्टन की एक्सेप्टेंस स्पीच से पहले मैं 4 लाइन बोलना चाहूँगी कि कोशिश कर तू आगाज कर, कोशिश कर तू आगाज कर, अंजाम हो जाए तेरा ये भी मिसाल सफ़र एक कयाम हो जाए। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि तू मुकद्दर से परहेज कर, पर कुछ ऐसा कर कि मुकद्दर भी तेरा गुलाम हो जाए। थैंक यू। ओवर।
Whatever Rotary may mean to us, to the world, it will be known by the result it achieves. Good evening and a very warm Rotary greetings to all of you. Respected District Governor Dr. Ravinder Gurnani ji, First Lady Rotarian Monica Gurnani ji, members of the District Rotary Council, galaxy of past district governors, fellow Rotarians, distinguished guests and friends. It is with great humility and immense pride that I stand before you as the President of Rotary Club of Delhi Qutub. In this historical golden jubilee year, a moment like this comes once in a lifetime, and I consider it both an honor and sacred responsibility to lead our club during this milestone year. As we step into this landmark journey, it is my honor to extend heartfelt thanks to past President Colonel Pawan Mehra and the outgoing board for their exceptional leadership, your dedication and preparations and hard work were very, very noteworthy. Past year has been instrumental in preparing us for the journey ahead. Many initiatives were taken by you, but the most noteworthy was making the club a fully PHF club. We, the members of Rotary Club of Delhi Qutub, owe you a big gratitude. Thank you. And we take this opportunity wishing you well for the years ahead. 50 years ago, a few visionary individuals laid the foundation of this club. Driven by the Rotary spirit of service above self. Over the decades, many hands and hearts have shaped this legacy, bringing light, hope, and transformation to our community. I salute all past presidents, charter members, past district governors, and every Rotarian who has walked the journey with us. As we celebrate our glorious past with pride, we must now look to the future with renewed energy and purpose. We need to step forward with bold ideas and deeper impact with inclusive service. Keeping this in mind, we have evolved our goals on a very pragmatic ethos, which is these are make every moment count, explore new projects, ignite fresh ideas, find innovative ways to reach the underprivileged, the unearned and the unseen. Let this year be remembered for not what we did, but for the lives we touched. No project is small. If you feed one hungry soul, you have made the world for someone. Find meaningful projects. Leave a legacy that speaks louder than words. A legacy of action, compassion, and change. Let us walk together every step of the way to greater heights. With these as our guiding principles and keeping in mind the core values of Rotary of service, fellowship, diversity, integrity and leadership, we intend following a threefold approach. First, strengthen our foundation. Second, serve with impact. And third, celebrate with purpose. Strengthen our foundation. Our topmost priority is to increase our membership by adding sustainable members. End of last year, our membership depleted. However, in the last 33 days, we have added 5 new members. 2 are being pinned today, 1 was pinned on 11 July, while 2 are currently traveling. And I assure our PD that we will be able to have 50 members as we have committed to him to keep in. We are an EREY club and we intend remaining an EREY club. At the end of June last year, we became a fully PHF club. We intend to ensure that all our new members become PHF in the year. Service with impact. Literacy and health are our main thrust areas. And being our golden year, we would like to do some meaningful legacy projects. First one being adoption of 8 underprivileged girls of Rotary Public School, Gurugram, and start an annual scholarship program for them. We will be handing over the check to the school the next week. The next important legacy project is gifting an ambulance to Rotary Heart Hospital. However, for this project, we are seeking support from the district, and the district governor has been very gracious enough to accept this project, and we look forward to working with the district very closely and doing this legacy project. We have only reached yesterday an understanding with District Cervical Cancer Chair to support 500 girls for cervical cancer vaccination. This is the first time the club is undertaking the cervical cancer vaccination program. The check is being handed over to the district tomorrow. Notwithstanding these legacy projects, we will continue to concentrate on blood donation and thalassemia eradication programs, mammography detection camps, organize regular health checkup camps in schools and old age homes, adopt one MCD school for WASH project. One feels happy to announce that in next few weeks, we will be starting an Interact Club in Colonel's Central Academy School, Sector 4, Gurugram. For this, we are indeed indebted to the principal, Rotarian Nirmal Yadav, who has been very supportive to us for this project. Thank you, Nirmal ji. I may mention that the club, though in its 50th year, we didn't have a trust, we have decided to start a trust very shortly, and we hope we will benefit by the trust by getting some CSR support from various CSR donors. Celebrate with purpose. Let our events, fellowship and activities not be festive, but meaningful and community-centric. Therefore, we would like to concentrate on sustainable efforts towards old age home, cancer hospice, provide aid and comfort to the blind, get admission for 2 underprivileged persons in Rotary Skill Development Center, organize an ambassadors forum to discuss Indian neighborhood, whenever and wherever joint district programs, joint club projects within this zone and other Rotary clubs in the district. We are blessed with a wonderful team of committed Rotarians on the board, and I know with their active support and teamwork, we will make this year truly special, not in name, but in service, fellowship and impact. Let me conclude by stressing, let's walk together in this milestone year with gratitude in our heart, service in our actions, and fellowship in our spirits. Once again, my sincere thanks to our esteemed District Governor Dr. Ravi Gurnani ji and First Lady Monica ji, all the esteemed members of the District Council of Governors, galaxy of past District Governors, our Assistant Governor, District Secretary Sanjeev Wadhwa ji and District Officials, Presidents of Rotary Club of Southex Sunita Jain, and honored guests and friends. Thank you for gracing this occasion and honoring us by your presence. Let the Golden Jubilee journey begin with your blessings. Jo bhi karo, dil se karo. Our DG Ravi Gurnani. Thank you, Jai Hind and God bless. May I request the board team members to please line up in front for introduction to the DG and the group photograph.
Thank you, President Ashok sir. Can I request the team members to please come in front of the stage? Yes. All the team members. एक लाइन नीचे. दो लाइन. Right, okay. Just line up. Please quickly. Now these 5 members who joined us are as follows. First, Amit Vasudeva. He was here in town, now is on duty outside. He was picked on the 11th of July. He is the managing director in Accenture. Next, Dr. Anil Malik. He is an engineering consultant. He is with us here today. Next, Anil Malik sir, can we have you on the stage please? Yeah. May I request Abna to please do the honors? Welcome to Kutub.
शूट भी देख लियो अपने अकॉर्डिंग
Next to join us is Veterian Praveen Bhatia and his most gracious wife. Can request them to come forward, please. We request the district governor to pin them.
मैम साथ में आ जाओ जी सर सामने देखेंगे
आओ सर, जी आओ। Praveen Bhatia, I will pin please. Second one. As you can see on the slide, Kunal is in hospitality and is traveling. He is out of the country. The next
जी सर सामने देखेंगे एक बार
is Pooja. She is with the audit, runs her own company. She is also traveling and not available today.
सर एक बार वेट सर वेट सर थैंक यू
Right, ladies and gentlemen. Right. You all are aware, for some circumstances, the Rotary International President had resigned for health reasons. So, new gentleman was appointed as the Rotary International President. Let's know him and get his message. Know your Rotary International President, Francisco
2 weeks ago, I was in my living room playing with my grandchildren. A few days later, I was on a plane to Calgary, suddenly carrying the responsibility of leading this incredible organization. Life comes fast, but so often it brings us exactly where we are meant to be. We begin this year with a clear message: unite for good. It is a simple phrase, but a powerful one. Because behind every successful Rotary effort, every act of service, every new member welcomed, every global challenge met, there are two things that matter most: friendship and trust. This is how we build strong clubs. It's how we create meaningful partnerships and transform global problems into local solutions. It's also how we lead, not through titles or applause, but with humility, humanity and heart. But let me be honest with you. This kind of leadership is not always easy. We are human, and yes, we make mistakes. We sometimes disagree. But in Rotary, we are called to something greater. Let us reflect on the full vision of Rotary. Together, we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe in our communities and in ourselves. This last part is essential because transformation doesn't start with strategy. It starts with character and the way we treat one another. It starts with how we listen, how we support, and how we serve. This year, I ask you to lead with that spirit, to grow Rotary through relationships, to make your clubs more welcoming, more flexible, more open to new ideas, to think big, but also to think beyond 1 year. Our term is short, but our impact can be lasting if we plan and act with continuity and vision. Let us remember our key priorities: membership, polio, and peace. We are closer than ever to ending polio. We cannot stop now. We must keep the promise we made to the children of the world. And as for peace, Rotary has been building it for over a century. Every clean water system, every youth exchange, every maternal health project is a step toward peace. I joined Rotary as a young professional, eager to help, but terrified of public speaking. My fellow Rotarians believed in me and encouraged me to take on new roles, and in doing so, Rotary changed my life. It gave me courage and purpose. But above all, it gave me you, my friends, my team, my family around the world. So now, my friends, take out your dreams tucked away in a drawer, especially those you thought were too big or bold to achieve. Let's bring them into the light. Let's unite for good, for our clubs, our communities, and our world. And let's make this year not only of service, but of joy, of connection, and of love.
So that was your Rotary International President's message. How he got the message while having a breakfast in his residence when he was appointed the RI President. Now it's time, of course, you all know the Governor very well. But then you may have missed out a few his qualifications and his just going to Rotary. So can I request Apna to give a few lines before we request the District Governor to say a few words.
Friends, इतना कुछ कहकर भी कितना कुछ बाकी रह जाता है। कर लूं चाहे जितनी भी बातें तुमसे, पर ये दिल कहाँ बढ़ पाता है। उन्हें आपके समक्ष उपस्थित होते हुए मैं अपने डीजी रविंद्र गुगनानी जी के लिए 4 लाइन कहना चाहूँगी कि रोटरी के लिए है इनका ट्रू डेडिकेशन, रोटरी के लिए है इनका ट्रू डेडिकेशन, करते हैं हर काम विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन। बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा, बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा, रोटरी का है भरपूर ज्ञान, डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट की आन बान और शान। थैंक यू सो मच सर। ओवर टू यू।
So today is Friendship Day. Yes. Happy Friendship Day.
Dr. Ravindra Gugnani is a distinguished educationist, visionary, entrepreneur,
Don't you know me?
and
You all know me, no? Yes. It's okay. So today is Friendship Day and Happy Friendship Day to each one of you. Thank you. It's also God Watermelon Day. I think we all love. It's also the birthday of the Hindi poet, famous Hindi poet Maitri Sharma, and then also the birthday of Shair Shakil Badayuni, and it's also the installation of our General Sahib today. So 5 things happening in a row. You know, like when I was doing the GOB, came to know we have 3 generals, 1 brigadier, and 1 colonel in this club. Two colonels. And I feel this is not just a Rotary club. It is a headquarter of special, special forces. President General Ashok Vasudeva and Neena Vasudeva, District Governor nominee Dr. Pushpa and Dr. Ashok Sethi, IPDG Mahesh and Sujata. I remember you Mahesh today. PDG Deepak Talwar, PDG Dr. Lalita and Dr. Subra, PDG Dr. Ravi Chaudhary, PDG Vinay Bhatia, PDG Ashok and Alka Kantur, PDG Jitendra and Dr. Deepti Gupta, District Treasurer Ravi Bhatia, District Secretary Sanjeev and Anju, District Secretary Hanish, Assistant Governor Sushil Agarwal and Ritu, District Chair Admin Manoj Jain and Seema Jain, Assistant Governor and immediate past President Colonel Pawan Mehra, members from other clubs. I can see President Sunita Jain. For those who know Sunita Jain, you don't know Sunita Jain. She is the President of Rotary Club of Delhi South Ex, and she has 100 social daughters across the country. 100 social daughters. Also welcome Dheeraj and Rashmi Bhutani and past President Nipal Yadav and Colonel Saab, my very senior. We have the same profession, sir. Welcome. Members of Rotary Club of Delhi Kutup, partners and guests. A very good evening to each one of you. It's a proud privilege and honor to stand before you this evening at Pratishtha. Not just to witness the installation of a new president, but to celebrate the rise of General Ashok Vasudeva, a decorated soldier, a principal leader, and now a Rotarian whose life reflects service, strength, and integrity. This year marks a golden chapter in the life of Rotary Club of Delhi Kutup. 50 years of proud legacy, impactful service, and meaningful fellowship. So, General Sahab, when we were discussing the GOB, the number of members, I don't think so you should have any problem adding the members. All you need to do is the posting here. Posting karo members ki members apne आप आ जाएंगे. Congratulations to each member, past and present, who made this journey so meaningful, so impactful, and so beautiful. Rotary year 24-25 was truly glorious. Thanks to the dedication and hard work of our Rotarians, we saw impactful service in every focus area. Our leader, IPDG Mahesh Dikha, khade ho jao sir. He led with calm, strength, quiet determination. I repeat again. He led with calm, strength, quiet determination, and grace. Grace only comes when I speak about grace.
Thank you again.
Never rushed, never rattled, always composed like a glen on the rocks. Thank you, IPDG Mahesh, for leading with vision, humility, and heart devoted to service. Your year will be remembered as the one where passion met Glen, 12, 15, and 18. Cold coffee met clarity with double loaded ice cream. And service met soul. A vintage Rotary year, smooth, impactful, and unforgettable. So we counted Mahesh's Glen and cold coffees. The Glens were somewhere around 150 and cold coffees were somewhere 450. Yeah. Wonderful. Mahesh, congratulations. A special word of appreciation for our immediate past President Colonel Pawan Mehra, another distinguished officer who traded his command post for a Rotary podium and led this club with the discipline of a soldier and heart of a Rotarian. Congratulations, sir, for a very satisfying Rotary year. From Colonel to General, clearly this club believes in marching forward with decorated leadership. And you know this is a club where presidents come with medals and not with agendas. Friends, IPDG Mahesh has already raised the bar. But this year, we don't just want to continue the journey. We want to intensify our impact. We'll engage more CSR partners, scale up meaningful projects, and ensure everything we do is sustainable, scalable, and strategic. And I'm confident if IPDG Mahesh can raise $2.9 with your support, I, along with your support, and IPDG on my side, can do 5 million plus.
And announce the district's fourth in the world. District is fourth in the world. Out of 500.
Okay. So, under the leadership of IPDG Mahesh, the blessings of our senior PDGs, and the support of each one of you. It's not you alone, Mahesh.
Yes.
Everyone is there. We rank 4th in the world. We rank 4th in the world. Friends, today we welcome a man who has commanded troops, shaped national strategy, and served India with honor. Lieutenant General Ashok Vasudeva, now stepping into a new command, the presidency of Rotary Club of Delhi Kutup. And trust me, be careful, the General is in full Rotary mode. Be regular and be very organized. And the best part is, General Sahab is not marching alone. By his side is his beautiful, lifelong comrade and now Club Secretary Rotarian, Neena Vasudeva. Together, Neena and Ashok bring the perfect blend. strategy and sensitivity, structure and soul, leadership and love. So strategy, structure and leadership is Ashok Vasudeva, sensitivity, soul and love is Neena ji. And if you think military precision and Rotary planning don't go hand in hand, wait till they both are in action. Friends, this year our Rotary International President gives us a very simple but a powerful message: unite for good. And I don't doubt that General Ashok Vasudeva will do just that, unite all us for good. And when the General Sahab says unite for good, you don't just wait, you line in alphabetical orders and salute. Am I right, sir? And finally, to our new elected president, a general by rank, a Rotarian by heart, and now a commander of compassion, Lieutenant General Ashok Vasudeva. You bring strength, clarity and purpose to this club. We are proud, truly proud to serve under your leadership. Rotary Club of Delhi Kutub, your golden year begins with love, unity and decorative leadership. Let us rise together, let us serve together and let us unite for good. And in the last 4 lines for हमारे जनरल साहब, वर्दी में थे जब तो सरहदें सलाम करती थी, अब रोटरी में है तो इंसानियत सलाम करती है। हुक्म से नहीं, I wrote these lines while sitting there. I'm not a shy, but you know, like I have so much affection and love for you, it just came. आदि स्पेशल तो आपको सर, I'll repeat. वर्दी में थे जब तो सरहदें सलाम करती थी, अब रोटरी में है तो इंसानियत सलाम करती है। हुक्म से नहीं, अब सेवा से चलती है बात। जनरल अशोक को जहाँ वहाँ प्रेरणा खुद रास्ता बना। Thank you so much to each one of you. And before I leave, I have a message from my international director, Rotary International Director, Nagesh. So polio, we know, we all are proud, we eradicated polio from the country. But this initiative needs to go because polio is still there in 3 countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan and Mozambique. Again 2 days back we had a fresh case of polio in Pakistan. Till now, from 1st of January, I think we have 15 cases of polio in Pakistan. Since we share the borders with these 2 countries, we are always at risk. So we need to carry on this polio plus initiatives. As directed by my RA director, I am giving this responsibility to General Sahab. Sir, I am adding my little contribution in this. Request you to keep this polio only on one corner, like where is visible to everyone. Request all to contribute 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. Zeros you can add accordingly. And whenever it is full, the keys are there. Open it, deposit this amount in your club account and transfer to the Polio Foundation. Thank you so much to each one of you. You know, like, this club is very close to my heart because of 2 couples, General Ashok and Neena ji, Raveen Saluja ji and G.S. Saluja ji, and that because of my sister-in-law Preeti, who is very close to Neena ji and Raveen Saluja ji. आप तो रोहतक के हो, आप तो जान भाई। Thank you so much for inviting me and Monica. One more request. We are having a Kavi Sammelan on 14th of August, post probably at Manekshaw Center, and we have invited very good 6 Kavis, in which Surinder Sharma is also one of them.
Oh, great.
Please be there with your family, friends, and let us enjoy them. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you very much, Honorable Governor, for the most inspiring speech. Now, Kutubian, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? How is the Josh? That's the way.
ये मेरी speech का impact है।
देखा आपके स्पीच से क्या जोश दिला दिया? Right, we have guests coming in. So can I now request Ravi Bhatia ji to please accept a little token of love from us? Now, sir. Oh, sorry, he's come now.
Ravi Bhatia is also there.
Power District Governor Ramesh is here, sir. And Justice Wife, may I request you to please come on and take a program of love.
Thank you so much. Grateful to you.
Normally आते नहीं हैं.
Grateful, I know.
Go.
Yes, sir, please.
हाँ जी,
लोग
सर।
क्या लिखे?
सर सामने देखेंगे
May I request Lalit ji and Meera ji kindly come in, do the honors for PDG. Ramesh ji.
Thank you for coming, sir.
We have PDG Ashok Kantur, Kaji.
Sir?
May I request Ravinder Nagia and Rohila to please do the honors. खोलो.
मैम एक बार इधर बस ठीक हाँ जी सामने देखेंगे क्या
Wait. One more.
There you can see PDG Ashok Kantur being welcome. Our one request, sir. CSR हमारे लिए. एक.
अशोक जी promise.
Ashok ji, just promise us.
Promise CSR.
Give a good project, only then you will not have.
We'll give you one.
Yes, please come. Wait.
We have passed District Governor Jitendra and his most gracious wife,
जी मैम सामने देखेंगे रुकिए मैम
Deepti.
Wait. One more. Ma'am, excuse me.
May I request Sunil Sethi and Shalini.
नहीं ऐसा हो नहीं सकता था कि
मैम यहाँ
We also have Dheeraj Bhutani ji and Rashmi ji.
Wait.
Can I request Anil Kataria to please do the honors? Then Teresa and Veena ji.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
Wait, please.
Our club has a souvenir which is updated with details of all our members and their partners and spouses with lots of information about Rotary. May I request the Chief Guest District Governor, Dr. Ravinder ji, to please release our club souvenir 2025-26. All of you have a copy on your table. You can open it and see it yourself.
This only innovate can do.
सर ऐसे रहेंगे.
They also produce a monthly e-bulletin which comes out at midnight. You can ask anybody. It comes at midnight on the last day of the month before the fresh month starts. And it has been doing wonderfully well within the competitions when we send our compendium of the 12 bulletins which go to Chennai for their judgments. They send some books as the gift. We will also release the first bulletin of the year. It's on the table again. President 24-25 Pawan's report, which you heard him in detail, is also on your table. May I now request the club secretary, Neena Vasudeva, to make announcements.
Dr. Ravinder Gubnani ji, First Lady RTN Monica Gubnani ji, and all the ladies and gentlemen, so sweet of all of you to turn up. I am truly grateful for this. A heartfelt gratitude for coming this evening. Your presence has made this event very, very special. It is my privilege as a secretary of the club to announce the birthdays amongst all the other things that I do as a secretary. So the birthdays are, ladies, as I call out, can you just stand up so that the people know whose birthday it is? Sneh Narang, 7th. Dr. Dhanveer is traveling, Kunal is traveling, Arpana Hooda.
Happy birthday. Date?
There is no date for ladies. And Geeta Nayyar, 12. And anniversary of Nutan and Rajesh Natra, 29. And ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely proud to announce the birthday of our First Lady, RTN Monica Gubnani, on the 26th. A very happy birthday from our club. Thank you all so much.
May I request the gentleman on the dais to please come onto the chairs in front. We need the stage for a performance by women and girls.
Ladies, could you all please be seated and you can have a good chat after a 10-minute break. Sarvam Shakti overview. Sarvam Shakti is a grassroots movement empowering marginalized girls through holistic education, fostering physical, emotional and mental strength. Every Shakti girl out here emerges confident and very, very powerful. We are thrilled to announce that District Governor Dr. Ravinder Gubnani ji handed over a 32-seater AC bus to Sarvam Foundation, empowering these girls to travel and to be able to do a significant step towards real impact and meaningful change.
Meet Himangi Bhatnagarji. She is empowering change. With more than 440 years of dedication, Himangi ji leads Sarvam Foundation's Sarvam Shakti movement. She is empowering more than 395 marginalized girls in Delhi, Gurugram and Bangalore through holistic programs in dance, yoga, nutrition and digital literacy. She nurtures self-worth and fosters positive change. Her compassion, discipline and vision inspires a brighter future for young girls.
And now the Shakti young beautiful girls come.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Rotary International, for giving us this huge opportunity. Now, do you imagine, please? She is her school representative at debate. She is her school cultural head. She is a state-level champion at classical dance. She is also tutored in computer application, spoken English, yoga, and academics if needed. She has traveled international as a cultural ambassador. She is a Shakti, and there are nearly 395 of us from 3 Indian states. All the Shaktis do intensive yoga practice to keep ourselves mentally happy and physically fit. Because of Sarvam Foundation, we get to develop ourselves. We get to explore the world. Our horizons have become wider and beautiful. Today, 11 of us are in Heritage School Vasant Kunj, Delhi, with the prospect of full-fledged teacher's job once they finish their college. Another 2 batches, 11 Shaktis, are now in 3-year internship at Marriott Hotel. We are Sarvam Shakti, and this is who we are. Thank you. We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Celebrating independence, we start a performance by presenting classical dance on the song Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is a tribute to our Mother India, who loves us unconditionally and who sacrificed her numerous children. Dear Mother, we love your charm and beauty. You embrace so many cultures, languages, religions and creatures. Jai Hind.
ब्राइटनेस कर दो Look here, ma'am, look here, look here.
Excellent, excellent. So good. They all need a standing ovation. Thank you very much. Lovely.
Bharat Ki Beti. Bharat Ki Beti is a song that sends a strong message to all of us. We, Shaktis, the daughter of our mother India, are fearlessly achieving our dreams and dancing in the spotlight. At Sarvam, 395 plus of us go through rigorous yoga training so that we stay mentally, physically and emotionally strong. We are hopeful that tomorrow we will be your yoga trainers. We present a rhythmic yoga on this powerful song as a symbol of liberation. Thank you.
Are we ready?
शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है तू सारे जहां से प्यारी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत
For us girls, this stage means a lot. Here we are expressing our pride, our journeys, and our love for our country. Jai Ho is a celebration of freedom, of spirit, and of the dream, like we now dare to dream. And Har Ghar Tiranga reminds us that we all carry Tiranga. We are proud to be Shakti and even prouder to be daughters of Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Ho.
Are you ready? Yeah.
सामने सामने सर।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारी इस इंस्टॉलेशन की महफिल को 4 चांद लगाने के लिए। ऑनर डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर रोटेरियन डॉक्टर रवि गुदनानी एंड मोनिका जी, ऑनर डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर नॉमिनी रोटेरियन पुष्पा सेठी जी एंड डॉक्टर अशोक सेठी, ऑनर इमीडिएट पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर रोटेरियन महेश रेखा एंड सुजाता जी, ऑनर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेनर एंड पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर रोटेरियन दीपक तलवार, ऑनर्ड असिस्टेंट गवर्नर रोटेरियन सुशील अग्रवाल, ऑनर्ड पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स रोटेरियन रमेश चंद्र एंड राजश्री जी, डॉक्टर एन सुब्रमण्यम एंड डॉक्टर ललिता जी, रोटेरियन रवि चौधरी, रोटेरियन रवि भाटिया, रोटेरियन अशोक कंटूर एंड रीता जी, रोटेरियन जितेंद्र गुप्ता एंड दीप्ति जी, respected district team members and fellow presidents of Zone 7, and of course The little angels known as Shakti Girls from Sarvam Foundation who just performed before us under the guidance of Ms. Himangi Patan. On behalf of all the members of Rotary Village Kutub, I convey our heartfelt thanks to you for gracing this occasion and making it a success. Any function or celebration is incomplete without close friends and associates to share the joy with, and by your very presence and active participation, you all have made today's function a really enjoyable one. I have to convey our heartfelt thanks to the General Manager and the staff of 4 Point Sheraton, who as always have made wonderful arrangements for today's evening. A prolonged vote of thanks and is the only thing which stands between us, bout of drinks, music and celebration. So I stop here, thanking you all from the core of our hearts for being here with us on this evening, but not before this parting remark. Together, bound by Rotary's thread, in every word and sweat we shed, we march ahead with a steady pace to build a brighter, stronger place. Thank you.
Have drinks, dinner and dance. Please join us for drinks, dinner and dance. Thank you very much.